Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we will explore how to change distance units in the Flightradar24 app. Whether you prefer kilometers, imperial miles, or nautical miles, this guide will help you quickly adjust the settings to your preference. First, open the Flightradar24 app on your phone. Next, look at the bottom left corner and tap on the Settings icon. Then select the MISC tab from the list of options. After that, scroll down carefully until you find the Distance option. Next to Distance, you will see a menu that you can tap on to reveal different units of measurement. From this menu, you can choose between kilometers, imperial miles, and nautical miles depending on your preference. Once you make your selection, the app will automatically display all distances in the chosen unit. If you found this video helpful, remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with your friends.